everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live. And thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 1st to the 5th of May 2023 on Monday. The Hlophes, Zwanes and Dikanas unite against their enemy as Tshepiso's new side emerges on Tuesday. Mlilo rings the alarm as the Hlophes get impatient to take over the throne. Tshepiso leaves Dimpho baffled on Wednesday. Lindiwe refuses to be a prisoner in her own home, not knowing how the day will unfold for her. Dimpho and her new enemy finally come face to face in a not so pretty way on Thursday. Dimpho tried to help Tshepiso despite getting banned a few times. Kwezi suspects her parents are hiding something from her on Friday. Tshepiso makes a decision and the Hlophes dance with death. The Mukwenas are in for a shock of their lives. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.